Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, in the additional with extra Sudokus and puzzles of today's newspaper. Yes, Saturday. It's Saturday, August the 7th. It's weekend. Yes, and today we have seven extra puzzles. Puzzle number one, letter Sudoku. Puzzle number two, two-star Sudoku. Puzzle number three, three-star Sudoku. Puzzle number four, four-star Sudoku. Puzzle number five, tectonic with one star. Then we have puzzle number six, tectonic with 4 stars. Puzzle number seven, binary puzzles. And those other puzzles are not interested. So 7 puzzles today, and I won't do them all. I will divide it for today, 4 puzzles, and tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so tomorrow the rest of the puzzles, 3 puzzles. Today 4, tomorrow 3. Alright, and the first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku number 3210. Yes, 3210. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted. 25 printed digits. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say 25 is always easier than a 24. Sudoku with 4 stars. Here we have a 1. 24. It depends. If you have a lot of pairs or a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Let me see. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in that row? So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, the 8 there, 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And then 1, 4, 3. We have a 7 in this column. 7 in a column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Now, let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. These 3 missing numbers. Remember, those are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 7. 3, 4, and a 7. Well, here we have 3, 4, and a 1. So here in this box cannot be 3 and the 4. The 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Because here is also 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 3, and a 4. 1, 3, and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? 1, 3, and a 4. Those numbers are the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Yes, 2 and the 6 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and the 8. Alright. Let me think. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those 2 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. The first row we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there. Well, we have another 2 there, so no 2 here. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. Okay. Woohoo. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. We see here 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. One number left in this last row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. We have a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. All right. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and an 8 is missing. 6 and a 7 and an 8. 6 and an 8. We see here an 8, 6. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this first row column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. All right. Then. One in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 1 number left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. The 5. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the first row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9 are missing. And look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then 1 goes there. One number left in this row. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright, two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1, 2, and a 3. 1 and a 3. We share 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column in between. Only place for the 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, and a 4 are missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One number left in the last column. For the number 4, 4 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in the third row for the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box will be a 3, and this box will be a 4. And the last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. Yes, 60 minutes, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So I'm very well pleased to solve this in 60 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll solve in a minute the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. You will see me in a minute. Bye bye for now.